We've been working on the car so much, trying to get it right, trying to get it fixed from last race.
Hey everybody, it's time for another Throwback 276 paint scheme reveal. So what are you running?
Well, I mean, if you just pan this way, there seems to be a race car sitting here.
Wow, I think I remember this car. Now, why did you pick the Stars and Stripes Valvoline?
Well, that's just the one that's always stood out to me. I know that he started off right after Mark Martin ran, and had the jagged-looking number 10. And back then I was really young, and I got older. And right about when I started remembering things in life was when I saw this car, and the Evernham number 10 always stands out with the jagged points behind the 0, and that's always stood out to me. I always thought it was really cool. This is the scheme that he almost won the Coke 600 with, should have won the Coke 600 with, and I remember that race, and that's probably one of the first ones I remember. So looking back, this is probably earlier in my life. The Nesquik was before I could remember. This is when I started to remember. Dad didn't want me to do the scheme. He wanted me to pick something else. He said, do something old school, do something cool. He said, this isn't cool. I said, well, it's the only one I know. So we decided to do that, and he don't like it, but I do, and that's the only car I've ever pulled for, so I want hopefully other people pull for me. Hopefully this is also a tribute to Rodney as well. I know he's probably watching. So hopefully he'll watch the race and some other people that remember this car, and it'll be a good one.
And I have a feeling that 10 cars is going to be a fan favorite yet again this year at the Throwback 276, presented by Baker Distributing.